didn't see if she did or not.
They all stood up and looked at the scoreboard and they were like, I do not know what's going on. I mean, I'm sure our girls are the same way half the time where it's like, we won? Yeah. Whenever we play, well, I coach softball, and so at the end of the game, they're always like, did we win? I'm like, does it feel like we won?
Are you not
like,
paying attention?
Like sometimes, you're like smoking or whatever, and it's like, do you feel like we won? Like, I don't know. Like, seriously? Sometimes you learn how to
Just
pay
in that
attention
one
a little
moment,
bit.
though.
Yeah.
I don't go past that moment.
We like to trap. Yeah. They have 6.
Everybody subbed out. Now we're going to
Oh God. These guys are calling it good. That's nice. So the rest are calling it good.
They actually like let us get into the bonus and shoot free throws.
Oh yeah, they will.
That's good. Exactly.
I mean, when you don't even call traveling and stuff, how are they going to ever be able to
The league
focus on
games, I
what
don't think they keep track of that. Well, they only call like 1 or 2 anyway.
Yeah.
the other stuff they need to.
They should at least keep track of it. Maybe that's not something that's going to be found. Yeah, the ball back.
Yeah.
Nice!
Good job, Joe. Good job.
That ball movement. It's out of bounds. He does. Okay.
Around, get it. Hit it, Mike. Hit it. What? What? What?
Black ball.
Go, defense. Go, defense. Defense, here we go. Good ball. Good. Good ball. Good. There you go. Good job, Adam. It's white ball.
White ball.
White ball.
Oh.
Yeah, black ball. Black ball. It was white. It was a jump ball. Here we go. White ball. White. Thank you.
Oh, they were, yeah. Sometimes they are.
White.
Get in there.
Stay inside her. Rebound, rebound. Go, go, go.
Good job, Brenna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
She was more trying to just make sure.
All right, come on back. Back you go. All right, here we go. Stay with her, stay with her. Good job, assist.
I know. She shuffles every time she starts to dribble.
Here we go.
Shuffles every time she starts to dribble.
There you go. Good screen. Get in. Good job, White. Here we go. Play defense now. Stay on him, stay on him.
Oh, good.
There you go. Still black ball, girl. Stay down. Stay here. Defense, defense. Samantha. 21, 21. Samantha, go inside her. There you go. Switch, switch. There you go.
There we go. These girls know what they're doing.
They do. That's the coaching. At this age, I'm sorry, that's coaching.
Yeah, it is.
They know what they're doing.
Rebound, rebound. Grab it, grab it, grab it. White. Here we go, White.
I don't know if you did the background. This team, the only overlap, they played yesterday. This team played the other middle team.
Yeah, we actually stayed until the end of it.
Oh.
Because number 9 on West, she used to play on one of Smith's softball team.
Okay.
Kind of friendly with them, so yeah, but yeah, I was like, yeah, shouldn't be close, but you never know. I feel like in small courts, especially, like you never know how the rest of them just let people
Play. Yep. Good job, Jordan.
Look at Avonlea! Avonlea!
Oh. Okay.
Good try, good try.
Whoa.
It happens.
Who's got three? Who's got three? Who's got three?
Yes, you can. Holy cow. Oh.
Okay.
It's all right.
Okay, keep it up.
Got it. Who's got three? Who's got three? Someone take three.
linemen blocking.
All right, defense. Okay. That's great. Keep him there.
That's out of bounds.
Get it, get it.
She is not helping at all.
Help, help, help. There you go.
Go back up, Stella.
Go up, go up, go up.
Yep.
Stop right before she got caught. Here we go, get it. Hey, wait, down there.
Yeah.
Rebound, rebound.
Nice job.
Dribble, dribble, dribble.
She got away with one there.
Stay on him, stay on him.
Get her, Lillian.
Good job, Lillian. There we go, there we go.
Good job, Lillian Grace. Good job.
Rebound, rebound. Get it. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Grab it.
Get it.
Get up, get up. It's this way. White ball, white ball. We go.
giving her more space here. That's a double.
We're good.
Can't beat that close. She was trying to steal it before it got across half. Yeah.
Have the taker.
Hockey change.
The boundary lines confuse the refs too.
There you go. Get back. Heads up. They have possession. Did that so he didn't have to use up the jump.
Yeah.
Which makes sense because one girl is
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be this.
Yeah, it's the gray line.
Oh well.
Go, Brenna! Yep. There we go. Charlotte. Ray's got a nice shoe out of bounds.
I mean, I wish it wasn't. I'd tell them more.
I know.
But then move that about and you're over here.
Really thick this side of the court.
It's a foul, my friends.
Now, time out.
Yeah. Well, that picture, the Girl Scout thing picture that I sent it to her. I said, this is why you need her. This was just over a year ago.
Get open.
Almost caught your sister.
Get open. Here we go. Come on.
I'm hoping there's no.
Let's go, Nine. Get open. Look underneath. Look up.
He's going to let them do it. Might as well. Yeah.
Underneath. There you go.
Go!
Rebound. Grab it. You're all right.
No. It did. She's getting there.
All right, here we go, White.
The problem is this guy's.
Get the rebound. Go. Do it again.
Shoot it!
All right. You guys go back. Keeps the young girl to come like double team.
Yes, I did. She should have been called for moving screen.
Good rebound. All right. Get open. Go. Get ball. Get open. Samantha, go under.
Yeah, fired a little quick for the distance. Over and back.
They don't. There's a lot of
That one.
taking the biggest girl out there. She doesn't care.
Well, look at her.
Really?
That was a jump.
Good defense, Mike. She likes the challenge. Maybe she sees herself as bigger than she is. Rebound.
Yep. Yeah.
Later on in life, maybe. Not
Yeah.
now.
Put your hands up, Adley.
Okay.
Go! Get it in! Pretty sure it went off of one of their girls.
We can't change it.
No.
The harder passes.
And in a year or two, that will be perfect.
I mean, that's a great pass, but this age, a lot of guys can't handle those long passes. It's a little harder to catch them.
Yeah.
Oh, don't be worried about it.
Yeah.
Coach say we like to keep our opponents at 4.
we like to have a 20 plus differential.
18, that'd be pretty good. I don't think
Yes, we have. No. Yeah, we did play
Go!
that. That's only we played last year. That's one of the
Going in, I'm like, she's right there walking the ball.
Underneath! Right there! There you go! Yeah!
Yeah!
Go, Kate.
All right.
Holy smoke.
So I think if our girls get into a run and gun game, they'll run another team into the ground. I think.
They should have put our team I saw their 2 games that they played, they were closer than Pitt.
Yeah.
One of them was like 18 to 12 or something. Either they were missing a girl or
They had 120 to 14.
either that or they just I feel like the condensed court makes it
Yeah.
for everybody.